Sugary. Sugary, sugary. Everybody's written.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Music
Yes,
is, you have
ma'am.
to take from the bracket. So music will become musical. Musical. You have to add al and you have to write the whole word over there. Next word is effective. Effective. You have to select IVE from the bracket. You're writing or not writing, beta?
Ma'am,
Children, are
इसका
you writing?
नंबर बोलो ना.
Okay. Number D. D is agreeable. Okay, agreeable. Say Agreeable. Able. You have to add able.
मैम इसका पेज नंबर बोलो ना.
हाँ बेटा.
इसका पेज नंबर बोलो ना.
Page number. Let me check.
Page number 89.
Page
Can I say
number.
all the answers?
Page number 89. Who asked me, beta? Who asked me?
Page 25 है मैसेज.
खदीजा दे रही है.
Okay, but beta, you should know what we are doing now. Now we are doing vocabulary lesson one, word formation. Now in that word
Yes,
formation, we have
We had
learned
done yesterday.
prefixes, suffixes, and compound words. Now here again, we are
yes.
going to add the words to form new adverbs, adjectives. Now number D, agree is
Ma'am,
agreeable.
I know. Can I say all the answers?
No, beta, I'm saying beta. I'm just saying because some are saying we've done it, some we have said not done, so I'm just saying the answers.
Then.
Queen, queenly. 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 Next is saleable. Saleable. Able. Saleable. Number G is confectionery. 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 Okay. Then number H is hopeful. HOPE. Hope. FUL. Full. Now confectionery is where you get sweets. Okay. Now hope. Hopeful. Then number I is powerless. 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 Then J is national. 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 Okay. K is sorrowful. 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 Now G, remember the spelling. You have to be very careful with G. The spelling is Glorious. Y is cancelled. Glorious. Have you written glorious?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, repeat.
Again, all the answers? You want me to repeat all the answers?
No, ma'am.
No.
L.
L is glorious. Let me tell you the spelling. Glorious. Glorious. Glorious.
मैम GLORIOUS आएगा.
I-O-U-S. That's what I'm saying.
हाँ.
Glorious. See in the bracket it is IOUS. But Y will be cancelled. Now any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm going to read this and explain this. I think we did this
And
also.
this is
We,
also
Yes,
we
completed.
have
ma'am.
done.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So see, these are called anagrams, where if a letter is a word is a four letters or five letters, and the same letters are jumbled or unscrambled and made a new word, it is called anagram. You cannot use any other words but the same letters. You cannot use any other letters except the same letters of the words to form a new word. Now the first one is live, and the other word from the same alphabets is the word which is made is evil. The second is care, care, and another word from care is made is race. Then the third one is bake, B-A-K-E, bake. And the word which is another word which is made is beak. See, the meaning also changes. Live or live means, you have a life, you're living. And evil means something bad. So the meaning also changes. Care means to take care, and race means to speed, to compete, to race. Then bake is to bake a cake or something, and beak is the beak of a bird. Scar is when there is a mark left on your body. If by chance there is any scratch or something, or you get burnt or something, you get scarred. And from that word, from the SCAR, another word which is made is cards. So the above words are anagrams. All of you all know this, and I have taught this yesterday. Okay, now your. Yes, I told you to try to do this, but anyway, I will help you. The
Yes,
first word
ma'am.
is,
Yes, we have done.
yes. The
Yes.
first, I'm going to just tell you the answer. If you don't, if you can try, and if those who have written it will not say the answer. Those
Can
have
I give Can I give
already,
the answer?
you have already got in your textbook. Those who have already got in the textbook of they've taken the sister's textbook or somebody's textbook, the answers will be there. So I don't want you all to say the answer. The others who have not got the answers will say it. So the first letter is, so the first word is siren, and I'm giving you the first answer. That is, from siren we can make RINCE, rinse. Okay. Those who have not got the book, can you write it down? RINCE, rinse.
Lungs.
Beta. The next is gear. So tell me a word from gear.
Rage.
Can
Rage.
rage?
Rage.
Correct. It is not rage.
Rage.
It is rage means anger. Okay. Now, gear also means the car gear or the scooter gear. Gear also means the head gear, that is the helmet you are wearing, head gear or something. But the better meaning is gear is the car gear or something.
Rage.
Then, can you make a word with lungs? Unscramble the words and make another word with lungs. Yes,
Slung.
beta.
Slung. Slung. Slung.
Slung.
Slung.
SLUNG, slung. SLUNG, slung.
SL20.
Okay, number D.
March.
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 March. MARCH. March. The number E.
Spear.
Spear.
Rap. Rap. Raps.
Reaps.
Reap.
Reaps. REAPS. Reaps.
Reaps.
REAPS. Reaps.
And
Next is rates.
steer. Steer.
Stare. STARE. Stare.
Yes,
Stare to look at somebody, very carefully, or go on constantly looking at somebody, you stare at somebody. Then next is break.
Black.
Break
Breaker.
is break only. It is pronounced break, but it is BRAKE. First break
Breaker.
is to break something, and the other break is the brake of a car. BRAKE. The
Yes,
number H is
breaker.
ought.
It is
Number
true.
H is ought.
Tough. Couch.
No, not tout. It is
Tough.
tough. Tough. TOUGH. Tough.
Tough.
TOUGH. Tough.
Get up
Now
then.
number,
Harp.
now
Sharp.
beta, harp.
Sharp. Sharp.
Now harp.
Sharp.
Harp is what? Sharp.
Sharp.
Okay.
Sharp.
And
And
steel is
steel.
what? Stale.
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 Leaf.
Stale.
Stale.
Stale. Steel means to drop something, and stale means something that is not fresh. It is not fresh. Suppose you have bread at home and it is 2 days old. You say, mother will say, it's a stale bread. Don't eat. Stale bread means basi. Okay. Move on to the next one. Correct. The words correct. Sorry, choose the correct word
Ma'am,
from the
can I
box.
Nayan Sakina?
Once, yes, 9 seconds. Wait, bit. All of you all mute your mics. All of you all mute your mics except all of you all mute your mics except Naini Sakina. So you have to choose the pair now. 1 second. Choose the correct words from the box and complete the word pair. Now you have to make the pair. Now the first one I will tell you, the next you have to do it on your own. So Naini Sakina, be ready. First one is cup and saucer. Next is Naini Sakina.
Can I say Keshan Fatima?
Socks
Naini
and
Sakina,
shoes.
socks and
Socks and
shoes. Oh,
shoes.
Naini Sakina, the next one.
Salad and
No, it's salt. It's salt and
salt and pepper.
pepper. Pepper.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
Question and answer.
Okay. Then,
Silver and gold.
okay, next is
Needle
needle and
and threadle.
needle and
Little and weird.
THREAD, ma'am.
that is thread. That is thread. Thread.
Hmm.
The rest
I
of you mute your mics better except Sakina. Okay, knife and
Knife and fork.
fork. It's not
FROK.
frog, it is fork. Knife and fork. Okay. Then
Hmm.
Excuse
heaven and
Heaven and hell.
okay. Everybody's got the answer.
me. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
Any, yes,
Yes.
better.
Ma'am, please say to Maria that her mic is disturbed.
Maria, please mute your mic. Maria.
Okay, ma'am. Now its mic is mute.
Okay, everybody, now you'll have got the answers, or shall I repeat the answer?
Ma'am, repeat
Got
please.
an.
Repeat the answer.
Yes,
Okay,
got the answer.
let me come on tell the answer. First is cup and saucer. The spelling is there in the box. Then next is socks and shoes. Then next is salt and pepper. D is question and answer. Silver and gold. Needle and thread. Knife and fork. 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 Heaven and hell. Everybody completed?
I got the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay. So
And what is the answer of
F, one second. F, one second.
Vocabulary to name is word fun.
One second.
Yes.
F is needle and thread. Sorry, F is, yeah, F is needle and thread.
heaven and
G is
hell?
fork. 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 And heaven and hell. Everybody's got the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
All the
Yes,
answers
ma'am.
you got.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please, all of you all complete all the exercises 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in your textbook. Okay. And if you've written it in the textbook, then you can write in your rough book also. If you have already got your sister's book or somebody and the answers are written, then you must write in your rough book. Okay. All of you all got the answers. Now all of you all understood the lessons which I've explained to you all.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Sakina, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we now till now we have completed kinds of sentences, subjects and predicate, subject work agreement, articles, and one lesson from vocabulary, that is word formation. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lessons we have completed. Okay. So if possible, in the next class, I will try to do comprehension one. Comprehension one, that is on page 100, I think. Let me see if it is short or long. Okay, it's quite short. So, yes, Saima is there.
Ma'am, should I send Fatima Bahajaj? Yes, ma'am. I'm Saima. Yes, ma'am.
Saima, you sent me the this thing PDF was very clear. So, can you send me of page 100? The not you can send it to me and keep it. We'll do it in the next class. That is reading comprehension one, page 100, and all the questions also. It is only 2 pages. You have to send me the PDF.
Okay,
Can
ma'am. No
you keep
problem.
Yes, anything else now, girls? Because I think it's till what time do we have? Is it time up? Is it time
Ma'am,
up?
we had 15 minutes.
Oh, beta?
9:54.
We have 15 minutes.
मैम
We have 15 minutes. Yes, beta.
आपने जो 5 चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन टू करेक्ट द इयर्स ऑफ आर्टिकल्स यूज इन दिस सेंटेंस उसमें आंसर देख लो ना, मेरा राइट है कि तो मैं फेरबू में लिखूं?
Acha, 1 second, 1 second. I will call out the answers and you just check it, okay? 1 second.
Not page number 100 is the reading comprehension one. Worksheet.
एक मिनट क्या बोल रहे हो कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है.
So, the 100 page number is the reading comprehension one.
I don't understand what you're saying, beta.
So first,
ठीक से बोलो.
in the 100 page number, it is reading comprehension 1.
What competition? It's not competition, comprehension. Page 100.
Comprehension 1.
हाँ कुछ समझ में नहीं आता बेटा. Can anyone explain to me what she's trying to say?
No, nothing, no.
Okay, now all of y'all. Now the girl who wanted the answer, who was that who was asking me the answers? Girls, who was the one who was asking me the answers? Correct kar lo, dekh lo. Who was the girl who was asking me the answers of the articles?
The screen is half black.
But I'm not showing articles, I'm just telling the answers. Okay, let me check.
मैम
हाँ बेटा, who is that? नाम तो बोलो. I know who is speaking to you.
मंडल मारिया.
Yes, Maria. What is it, beta?
मैंने जो बोला था ना आपको वो 5 चैप्टर में है.
हाँ, I'm searching for it, beta.
ओके मैम.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes ma'am.
Yes.
Let this grammar lesson 5 open and I give answers. Now, whoever wants the answer, please. I was asking for the answers. Who's asking me for the answers? Beta, who is asking me for the answers of articles? I want to know the girl's name, beta.
Maria
Maria.
Mandal.
Why, beta, you didn't attend the
Maria
class?
Mandal.
Yes, Maria. 1 second. Now, which exercise you want? Which exercise you want? हाँ बेटा, Maria,
Ma'am,
tell me. हाँ
Section 2.
हाँ exercise 2.
Yes.
Exercise 2. 1 second, है बेटा.
Ma'am, we had not done exercise 2.
We have not done. Who is not done?
Ma'am, this.
Okay. This we have not done. We have done. Okay, let me tell you the answer. Correct the error of the articles. Or you just listen and write the answers better. Okay. The first one is who is most famous athlete in the world. We have to write who is the most famous. You have to write who is the most famous athlete in the world. Before most and before the you have to before word you have to add the. Those who have not written can write it down. Who is the most famous athlete in the world? First one is done for you all now. Maria. Maria. हो
Yes.
गया? No.
नहीं मैम.
Okay,
मैं
the
स्क्रीन
second.
शेयर
हाँ बेटा.
करूँ? मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूँ, आप देख लो मेरा
No, no,
आंसर
no,
राइट
no, no.
में है।
You just check it out. No, you just check it. I cannot do like that. You see your answers. Second one is Mount Everest is in Himalayas. You have to write Mount Everest in the Himalayas. You check your answers.
Sir,
Mount
which page
Everest
number
is in the Himalayas. Number C. I want to sit on a beach and watch the sun go down. I want to sit on a beach. A. On a beach and watch the sun go down. Maria, are you correcting or not? Maria, are you correcting or not correcting your answers?
Correcting.
Okay. Then number D. Could you
Ma'am,
take
repeat the
guard?
answer.
Yes, once again I repeat. Number C. I want to sit on a beach and watch the sun go down. On a beach and watch the sun go down. Number D is, could you take the garbage out? Please, could you take the garbage out? Next is, the Andaman Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. The Andaman Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. Next is, she was born in France. The is cancelled. She was born in France. That is the correct answer. Next is, computer is a useful machine. No, no, the computer. You have to say the computer. The computer is a useful machine. The computer is a useful machine because U sounds like YOU, university, okay, unicorn. With that, we use a. So the computer is a useful machine. The next one, the President of the United States. The President of the United States is giving a speech tonight. The President of the United States. Next is, education is one of the most important thing in life. Education is one of the most important thing in life. Next is, the elephant is an intelligent animal. The elephant is an intelligent animal. The elephant is an intelligent animal. Last year, we visited the Tower of London. Last year, we visited the Tower of London. Next is, Tanya received a letter, not an letter. Tanya received a letter yesterday. The letter was from her grandmother. Tanya received a letter yesterday, then full stop, then the letter was from her grandmother. Maria, have you got the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anything else?
I have signed
Ma'am, am I
to the
filling the blanks
composition.
completely? Please stay filling the blanks also.
जोर से बोलो ना बेटा, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, my filling the blanks is complete. Please say that also.
Arey baap re, everybody, if you tell me like this, okay, come on, fast, huh? Because the time is up now. It's going to be up. Let me check the time. Oh, no, no, 15 minutes are left. Okay, chalo. The fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. In your, this thing is Kokila's father runs a shop in the locality. Okay? A. Then there are many ready-made clothes in the shop. Everybody mute your mic and listen to the answers and correct your books. Kokila's father runs a shop in his locality. There are many ready-made clothes in the shop. Kokila has never been allowed to touch the clothes. Then one day her father could not go to the shop. One day her father could not go to the shop because of an unexpected function. Kokila requested the mother to give her permission to go to the shop and handle the business there. The business there. The next paragraph. A little boy entered the shop with an ice cream. An ice cream. Kokila was tempted on seeing the ice cream. Kokila was tempted on seeing the ice cream. She said, "Dear friend, give me the ice cream." She said, "Dear friend, give me the ice cream." Then the boy said, I will share it with you." The boy said, "I will share it with you." All the answers are checked?
Yes, ma'am.
Check.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. All the answers are checked. So no doubt, isn't it? See, girls,
Ma'am,
you
I
don't tell
have.
me, don't send me the PDF to correct and all that because it's very strenuous for me on the mobile. Okay, so in this way you can correct. If you have
मैम
a doubt,
फेयर बुक में लिखने का है
huh? What?
फेयर बुक में लिखने का है
If you don't have a textbook and if the book is already written, then you write in the fair book. If your fair book is new, textbook is new, then you write in the textbook. Otherwise, if it is old book and the answers are written, then write it in your fair book. Is it clear? Is it clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I have signed you.
Yes, you sent me. 1 second. Huh? 1 second. Let me put my charger because my charge is become less. Thank you, Simon. Uh, 1 second. Let me see. Okay. So I will. All of y'all. Now we have completed totally 5 lessons. We will go on to reading comprehension. Only 5 minutes are left, but let me check if we can just read it.
Can I read Fatima Bahajaj?
Wait a minute, first let me stop sharing this screen, then only I can share the other screen better. First I have to stop sharing this screen, then I have to share the other screen. Okay, vocabulary one.
माइक बंद था तो
1 second, better. Okay, now we'll go to reading comprehension. Simon?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Simon, you do the reading. After that, we'll see if we have the time. We'll ask somebody else because only 8 minutes, 5, 6 minutes are left. So come on.
Already time is 8. Okay, ma'am. The Great Compunction. I entered
Commotion,
the
commotion.
The Great Commotion. I entered the second class compartment and took a corner seat. A few minutes later, a large noisy family rushed in and spread themselves all over the compartment. The parents arranged and rearranged their belongings on the luggage racks. A suitcase fell on the grandmother's feet and she shouted at them. The children
Quarreled, quarrels.
quarreled, quarreled and the baby cried. Suddenly,
Hmm.
the whistle blew and with
Not whistle,
much
it is whistle. Okay, it is pronounced as whistle. The whistle blew,
the whistle blew and with much
clanging
changing
and
and
moaning.
clanging and groaning, the train moved out of the station and soon gathered speed and rushed on through the night.
Thank you, beta. Anybody else now? Who's going to read?
Can I read Fatima Bahajati?
Can I read
Yes,
Podiwala
Fatima, Fatima, Fatima. Fatima, start reading. My companions.
Okay. From where?
From here, see, my
At the
companions.
same time, from there. Ma'am, here is written at the same time from there.
See, I can see the screen, beta.
Okay. My
Can you see the
component.
screen or not?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Read fast,
One minute.
beta.
My combinations obtained large tipping carriers
My
and settled down.
companions, open the last tiffin, beta.
My, com- my, my
Companions.
companions, my companions opened large tiffin carriers and settled down with the meal. But the baby cries became how the grandmother hugged Sari from a tin on the side wall of the carriage. She put the baby in the cradle and the baby stopped crying almost at once. At the same time, the train came to a stop. There was a great combination. I looked out
Commotion.
the window.
Commotion.
Commotion. I looked out of the window and found that a large crowd had had
Gathered.
gathered outside, and everyone was asking who had pulled the chain. Suddenly, I saw put the grandmother had hugged the cradle from alarm chain.
Not alarm chain, it is alarm chain. See, this is a very short lesson. I will explain to you. Commotion means a lot of noise and din and lot of chaos. Okay. So I entered the second class compartment. You know, the train has first class, second class, third class compartment, general compartment. So here, the narrator is saying that I entered the second class compartment and took a corner seat. So this person who's writing this, he was observing everything, and he said I entered the second class compartment because he was also going somewhere, and he took a corner seat. He sat on the corner. A few minutes later, a large, noisy family rushed in. So one big family came with lots of members and spread themselves all over the compartment. That is, they went and sat, spread themselves. Mean not like spreading like something, but they all of them occupied all the places where they wanted. And the parents arranged and rearranged their belongings. So on the luggage rack. So there was a lot of luggage also. So no, the parents, what were they doing of the family? They were arranging the luggage. Then if it was not fitting, they were taking it out and putting another bag which was fitting in. All of us would have traveled by train, isn't it? आप लोग गए हो कि नहीं by train कहीं भी? Have you all gone by train?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there are space to keep under the leg, under the bench that we're sitting. There's some space there to sit, keep some luggage. Then there are some racks on top also where you can keep the luggage. But when there is a big family, they will be having small and big and all these types of luggages. So the parents were arranging the luggages and then taking out if it is not fitting properly and pushing in another one. So there was a lot of noise and commotion. Okay. And a suitcase fell on the grandmother's feet, and then she shouted at them. And the children quarreled. So what was the noise all about? You can see one side the parents were arranging and taking out boxes and keeping it again, keeping their bags. All these things were going on. Whereas there were small children, big elders also, grandmother was also there. So while they were arranging on top, one suitcase fell on the grandmother's feet and she shouted at them, and she shouted, "Oh my God, look at this. What are you doing? It fell on my leg." The children quarreled and the baby cried. And what were the children doing? They were quarreling. Maybe they were quarreling to sit near the window seat or something. We don't know why they were quarreling. But the children were fighting, quarreling. Means verbally they were shouting, a crowd quarreling with each other. And there was a baby also, it was crying loudly. Okay. So suddenly the whistle blew, and with much clanging and groaning, the train moved out of the station. So suddenly, what I meant, the whistle blew. That means it was a signal for the train to start. So when the train started moving, it was making a clanging and groaning sound. So when you sit in a train and you hear the sound of the train moving, in the beginning it makes such a typical sound. Groaning means like, groaning is like if you're making some noises when you're tired, ooh, ah, like that. But here groaning means the machine sound, okay? The sound of the wheels. The train moved out of the station, so slowly it left the station, and it soon gathered speed and rushed on through the night. So it started moving, and then it was consistent, means it was moving. And my companions opened the large, so there was a big family, so they opened a big large tiffin carrier. You would have seen, you have steel tiffins, big ones with different partitions in it or something like that, and different dabbas in that. So they took out the tiffin box and settled down with their meal. So all of them were ready to have their meal. But the baby's cry became howls, and the grandmother hung a sari from a chain